Today we're going to make papel picado sugar skulls for Dia de los Muertos. Papel means paper and picado means cut or chopped. To make these, we're going to take advantage of symmetry. We're going to start by folding our paper in half vertically and drawing one half of the head shape, like a letter C, and then a rectangle at the bottom along the fold. When you're done with this, show it to me. I will check your work, and if you've drawn it correctly, I'll give you the go-ahead to cut. You'll notice that I'm cutting through both pieces of the paper. Now I have a full skull. The next thing I'm going to do is make a nose. I'm going to make an upside-down heart shape where the nose is. Then I'm going to make a mouth, one half of a mouth. When you've done this, do a quick check-in with me. Then you may cut out those shapes. The last part of the face that we're going to make is the eyes. And this part's a little tricky. You fold in half at the top, just like this. And then you're going to make one half of an oval along that fold. Again, check with me before you cut. And what happens is that it quadruples. There it's doubled and quadrupled to make two eyes. Now you can fold yours back up and cut little triangles out of the sides for designs. You could even use a U shape, and if you're very careful, you can do it along the middle. This just makes yours unique and more detailed. Now I'm going to glue this down to a black piece of paper. I want to make sure that I'm putting the glue on the side where I have all the lines. You simply need to trace around the outside and around all the cut out shapes. You don't need any globs of glue, just little lines of it in the places that count. Now I'm going to press it onto my paper carefully. I like to flip my paper over and give it a back rub. This makes sure that it's really stuck down well. Now I have a symmetrical sugar skull to celebrate Dia de los Muertos. I'm going to make patterns in the eye area, maybe a flower. I have a learning guide for you with other choices. Yours does not need to look just like mine, but it should be symmetrical, same on both sides. Now I'm going to make lines for the teeth, and then I'm going to choose different designs to put around my skull in a symmetrical way. Try pressing down hard with the pastel. It'll show up much brighter if you do that. The last thing we'll do is make a frame with stamping for our sugar skulls. And they're going to look beautiful, amazing, and very, very symmetrical.